lead the ultimate low maintenance lifestyle. You're just up the road from Westfield Miranda. You've got your parks, your fields, and your tennis courts close by. And you know, if you need it, the hospital's just up the road. If you love shopping, convenience, and sun, this is the apartment for you. Positioned one level below the penthouses, you've got this amazing northeasterly aspect and a lot of natural light. Perfect for sitting and reading a book.
This apartment ticks all the boxes. It's got your gas cooking, your beautiful stone benches, and if you look closely, you might see a little bit of water between the trees to Botany Bay.